Open Google Sheets in your browser, then click Extensions in the top menu, hover over Add-ons and select Get Add-ons. In the Marketplace window that opens, type Google Ads into the search bar and hit Enter. You'll see the official Google Ads add-on published by Google with a small AdWords logo next to it. Click on it, then hit the Install button. Google will ask you to choose the Google account you want to use for this connection. Pick the same one that has access to your Google Ads data. After that, you'll see a permission screen. Scroll through it carefully. The add-on needs permission to read your Google Ads reports, view and manage your Google Sheets files, and access account information. Click Allow to finish the installation. The add-on icon will appear under Extensions in a new section labeled Google Ads. This is the cleanest and safest way to import campaign data because it's built by Google itself, so you know the connection is secure and the metrics are pulled directly from the same database your Google Ads dashboard uses. Once the add-on is installed, go back to Extensions, open the Google Ads menu and select Open. A sidebar will slide in on the right side of your spreadsheet. The first thing you'll see is a sign-in prompt. Click Sign In and use the same Google account you used to install the add-on. After signing in, a drop-down will appear asking you to select your Google Ads account. If you manage multiple accounts, choose the one with the data you want to report on. Then click the button that says Create Report, which will open a new panel where you can build the exact query you need. Now, think about what you actually want to see. The add-on offers a set of report templates for common scenarios, like campaign performance, keyword performance, or search query reports. You can start with a template and later customize it, which is perfect if you're new to this. Otherwise, click Custom Report to start from scratch. Let's build a campaign performance report together. First, set your date range. You can pick a preset like last 7 days, last month, or a custom range. For most day-to-day monitoring, last 4 weeks gives you a solid window of data. Next, choose the dimensions. These are the things you want to break your data by, like campaign name, ad group, or date. For this report, select campaign name and date, then scroll down to the metrics section. Metrics are the numbers you're tracking: impressions, clicks, cost, conversions, click-through rate, and average CPC. Select the ones that matter to your analysis. A common mistake is to import every available metric, but that makes your sheet cluttered and harder to read. Pick only what you actually use in your reports. If you track return on ad spend, for example, include cost and conversion value. For now, check impressions, clicks, cost, conversions, and CTR. Below the metrics, you'll see a setting to segment the data. For a simple campaign report, leave it on None. Finally, click the blue Run Report button at the bottom. The add-on will connect to your Google Ads account, run the query, and insert the results into your spreadsheet starting from cell A1. You'll see columns for each dimension and metric you selected, with one row per combination of campaign and date. The data is live, it's not a static CSV file. That means you can work with it directly in Sheets, add formulas, create pivot tables, or build charts that update when you refresh the report later. Now, here's where the real power comes in. You can use standard Google Sheets functions to calculate custom KPIs. For instance, in a new column, type equals to divide cost by conversions to get your cost per conversion, or use the average function to see your average CTR over the period. You can also create a pivot table to summarize performance by campaign. Highlight all the data, go to Insert, then Pivot Table. Put campaign name in the rows section and your metrics like clicks and cost in the values section. This gives you a clean summary report in seconds. To keep your data current without rerunning the report manually every morning, the add-on lets you schedule automatic refreshes. In the sidebar, look for a button labeled Schedule. It might look like a small clock icon. Click it, and you can set the refresh to run daily, weekly, or at a custom interval. Choose daily at 6 a.m., for example, and every morning your spreadsheet will update with the latest metrics from the previous day. This is a huge time saver if you're building recurring reports for a team or client. Just make sure your Google Ads account permissions remain valid. If your access changes, the scheduled refresh will stop working and you'll need to reauthorize. One important thing to verify: after the first import, double-check that the metrics in your sheet match what you see inside Google Ads. Go to your actual Google Ads account, navigate to the Campaigns tab, and compare the numbers for the same date range. They should match exactly because the add-on queries the same API. If you see a discrepancy, the most common cause is a date range mismatch or a conflict with segmented data. Also note that some metrics, like impression share, require a specific level of account access, and might not appear if you're using a standard manager account. You've now connected Google Ads to Google Sheets using the official add-on, imported live campaign data, customized your report layout, and set up automatic updates. This workflow saves you from manually downloading CSV files every week and lets you build dashboards that combine advertising numbers with other business data like sales figures from Shopify or leads from your CRM. For your next step, try adding a simple chart. Highlight the date column and clicks, click Insert, then Chart, and choose a line chart to visualize how traffic trends over time. Bookmark this sheet so you can return to it each morning or share a link with your stakeholders for real-time access. If you ever need to rebuild a report from scratch, just come back to this process. It takes less than 5 minutes once you've done it a few times.